Are you looking forward to save gems on Talkie AI? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily save gems on Talkie AI. So the very first thing you want to do is move into your application Talkie AI. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, head over to your profile. In the profile page, you'll see the option where it says Get Free Gems right over here. Click on it. Here it says game players earn the most gems, which means that in order for you to save up some gems, you have to play the game. So click on play now. Right over here you can see tons of different games available to you. Simply head over to any one of it and follow the on-screen process. After that, you will definitely receive and save up some gems. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.